Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Simpi. Today I am going to explain trick to draw Lewis dot structure. If you are new in this channel, then please subscribe this channel before going to draw the Lewis dot structure. And before going to draw the Lewis dot structure, you have to remember these 5 points. First is count all the valence electrons. Firstly, you have to count all the valence electrons. After that, second step is determine central atom on the basis of electronegativity. For example, if we take carbon and nitrogen, in this case carbon is less electronegative in comparison to that of nitrogen, and take the central atom on the basis of electronegativity. The atom which has less electronegativity, in this case carbon is less electronegative, so it will take as a central atom and nitrogen as a surrounding atom. But in case of hydrogen has only one electron and it is less electronegativity in comparison to carbon, nitrogen, but it is not taking as a central atom. Why it is not taking as a central atom? Because it forms only one bond with the other atom. Okay, so in this case, this is the exceptional case. Hydrogen is not taking as a central atom. Third step is draw single bond around central atom. After that, draw single bond central atom with that of surrounding atom. And the fourth step is put remaining electrons as lone pair, और जो remaining electron होंगे put as a lone pair. And the last step is turn lone pair into double or triple bond. This can be well explained with the help of examples. So I am taking one example. For example, I am taking NO3 minus. Okay, and we have to draw this Lewis dot structure of NO3 minus. For this, nitrogen and oxygen. In this case, nitrogen is more electronegativity in comparison to oxygen. So in this case, we have to take nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, so nitrogen as a central atom, oxygen, oxygen and oxygen. Firstly, write this. First step is count all valence electron. In case of nitrogen, valence electron is 5. In case of oxygen, valence electron is 2 and 6. 6 valence electron and there are 3, so 6 3 are 18. And minus charge, so plus 1. 18, 19, 24. Total valence electron is 24. Okay. So firstly, count all valence electron. Determine central atom on the basis of electronegativity. In this case, oxygen is 3 atom and nitrogen is 1. So obvious thing is that nitrogen is a central atom and oxygen are surrounding atom. So draw nitrogen and 3 oxygen. Okay. And after that, draw single bond around central atom. Draw this single bond around central atom. And draw single bond around central atom. And one single bond means 2 electron. 2, 4, 6. So minus 6 electron. Remaining electron is 18. Put remaining electron as lone pair. Remaining is 18 as a lone pair to the surrounded atom. Surrounded atom is oxygen. Firstly, complete the octet of the surrounded atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 18 हो गए. 6, 6, 6. 18 electron. Okay. अब now the octet of oxygen is complete. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. But in case of nitrogen get only 2, 4 and 6 electron. Okay. After that, they can put remaining electron as a lone, turn lone pair into double or triple bond. Last step we have to follow. This 2 electron, if shift over there, then it remain on oxygen as well as nitrogen. But by doing this, it complete the octet of nitrogen. So replace this lone pair of electron with double bond. So it can be written like this: oxygen, nitrogen, double bond oxygen, 2, 4, 6, 2 and 4, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now this lone pair can be shifted, this can be shifted, this can be shifted. So it is a resonating structure. So these structure are the resonating structure, as this lone pair oxygen from this lone pair from this oxygen, lone pair from this oxygen as well as lone pair from this oxygen shifted to this bond. So there are three possible resonating structure. You can draw any of the structure and these three structures are right. But in this case NO3, we have write NO3 minus. So whole the atom consists of minus. So just like this, this is the Lewis dot structure of NO3 minus. Finally, I am going to draw the Lewis dot structure of carbon dioxide, CO2. Draw the Lewis dot structure of this molecule carbon dioxide. First step is count all the valence electron. In carbon, valence electron is 4. In case of oxygen, 6. 6 to the 12. 12 and 4, 16. Total valence electron is 16. Okay. After counting the valence electron, firstly central atom carbon and oxygen. In this case carbon is the central atom, oxygen and oxygen. After that draw single bond. Now one single bond means 2 electron, 2 and 2 4 electron, minus 4 electron, 12 electron, and remaining 12 electron as a lone pair. In this case 2, 6 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And now the octet of both oxygen get complete, but in case of carbon 1, 2, 4 electron. To complete its octet it needs 4 more electrons. So these 2 electrons shift over there as a single bond. These 2 electrons shift over there as a single bond. So it can be written as carbon, oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this electron become a single bond and these lone pair of electron also become a single bond. Now check the octet. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. In this case 2, 4, 6, 8. All the atom completed its octet. So this is the Lewis dot structure of carbon dioxide. Now if you understand this concept, then write the Lewis dot structure of water molecule by yourself and try to draw the structure. If you find any problem or doubt, please comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.